In this video, I will explain you how to use the breakout mode. Right now we have the default settings and the extreme mode. Okay. When we look at the this is 1 hour chart from 15th of April till 8th of July. We see prices cycles ends and prices were on some levels, extreme levels. Just put an horizontal line. We see the price make big turn reversal. You identify the levels. If you change the time frame, of course it will change, or if you change it to you can use different intervals to identify it. Okay, then this is our change the breakout mode to breakout. Okay, now let's check what is the turn level of this line, 0.008, and this one, let's say 0.0011. Okay, change the minus. Now it will give you on those certain levels only the breakout of those levels. So you can find the extremes like this as well. Each chart, those levels are changed during some certain period of time. You just identify, put the lines, and then adjust it. 100% accuracy. Even you don't need to use any RSI or a money flow index settings. Just extreme overbought and extreme oversold levels. So it opens the trade here. As you see. Now we change to 0.008. When it cuts, it gives the signal. Or here. Easy to use, multifunctional, and 99% accuracy.